Good day everyone, greetings from Web Solution. In this video, we will learn about our GST panel. As soon as you get your login credentials, sign in onto the platform. Once signed in, you will land on a dashboard which will give you the summary of your GSTR filing status, your GSTR 1 filing status, as well as your GSTR 3B filing status. Below that, you will get a detailed dashboard based upon GST invoice segregation, giving you details about your upload status of GSTR 1 data and GSTR 3B data, and the filing status of your GSTR 1 and 3B data as well. If you scroll down, you will get your output tax liability, again based upon GST invoice segregation. And below that, you will have your ITC and ledger cash information. So this sums up your dashboard. The next menu would be Master Management, where you can add multiple PAN numbers as well as multiple GST numbers to this particular account. You can fill in your data using this particular columns, or alternatively, you can sign in and give your GST details using a CSV template as well. Below that, you have the user management, where you can create multiple sub accounts for this main account of yours. You can create multiple roles such as super admin or document verification or manager level role. Roles are nothing but the level of access you want to give to the particular account. You can edit that anytime. Once you have created your role, you can go into user registration and create the sub account. This will require an additional email ID and a mobile number for that particular role. And you can select that role and register that particular user to that particular GST number. Once registered, you can anytime edit these users using edit user option, which will allow you to add these users to multiple GST numbers, as well as to delete these particular user. Then again, you can block and unblock any of the users from your main account. Then you have customer management and supplier management. So customer management is nothing but your customer data, which you will be utilizing when you are doing invoice generation from this particular portal, that is Web GST panel. And supplier management would be utilized whenever you are doing reconciliation from our portal. So here you can see, you can fill in your suppliers details such as their name, their email ID, mobile number, and GST number. GST number would help to identify the supplier from the reconciliation panel, and the email number attached to that particular GST number would again send that particular email to the supplier saying that you have some missing invoices or some mismatch invoices. Then you have your invoice generation module, where you can generate multiple outward invoices such as B2B invoices, B2CL, B2CS, credit, debit note, and export invoices, and much more, as you can see on the screen. If I open any one of them, such as B2B invoices, I can select the customer name. This would be the same name which we just created in the master management menu. Once we select the customer name, automatically the rest of the details such as customer GST and place of supply address would be fetched. And then we can give the rest of the invoice details to generate this particular invoice. Similarly, we have the inward register as well, where we can see B2B supplier invoices, reverse charge invoices, unregistered invoices, credit debit note. So this sums up the invoice generation module. In the next menu, we will have the data upload option for GSTR filing, the actual filing process, and the reconciliation. Thank you.